Surya Namaskara. Bend your knee and place your palms on the floor. Take your right leg behind, drop your knee down and look up. Gently raise your knee up. Take your other leg also behind. Bring your knees down. Bend your elbows and keep your chest down. Bringing your chest all the way up. Stretch up in Urdhva Mukha Shavasana. Roll your shoulders behind. Come on your toes. Push your body upward in Adho Mukha Shavasana, pressing your heels downward. Stay there for a few breaths. Make a cup shape of your right palm. Bring your right leg forward, keeping your left knee down. Look up. Hold the posture. Release your leg, bring it forward. Stay in Uttanasana. Press your hands down or else keep it in a cup shape. Bring your head down, look inside. Raise yourself up all the way behind. Try to lean backward. Do not force yourself in this posture. Gently come forward. And there you go. We have completed one round of Surya Namaskar. You can practice 12 to 24 sets of Surya Namaskara. Do not force yourself in any posture. Performing Surya Namaskara every day will help in performing asanas. It shouldn't be performed in case of back, neck or knee injuries. Benefits: helps in digestion, good posture, increased stamina, relieves stress, regulates blood pressure, improves flexibility. Keep practicing Surya Namaskara every day and you will see the results soon. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Namaste.